guys, I apologize if I'm a little blurry. I was being adventurous with my camera and I think I've messed something up. Anyway, Moveni Yiminafuthi Fandak is on inside Africa. Mmereleka pudding a Malva. So I just tried to speak 5 out of the 11 official South African languages. Today we are making Malva pudding, which is kind of similar to tres leches cake. So you have cake and you soak in a lot of liquid, and I'm kind of excited because I think it's gonna be good. Anyway, let's get baking, shall we? Do you guys like this let's get baking thing I always end my intro videos with? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, okay? Thank you. I forgot to hit record on my camera. Well, you didn't miss much. I only combined eggs and sugar, and thankfully we all know how to do that. You can do this by hand in the absence of any mixing gadgets. I am combining for about 2 minutes or until it is thick and paler than we originally started with. Then a tablespoon of apricot jam. I am assuming you should be able to get away without adding the jam, but I want to stick to the original thing as much as possible. A teaspoon of white vinegar, some melted butter, and combine thoroughly. To my flour, I am adding some salt and baking soda. Mix the dry ingredients and then add to the wet. And then you finish it off with some milk. You do not have to alternate this time because it isn't a lot, and so the problem of overwhelming and probable overmixing is almost impossible. One final scoop with a spatula. Oh look, the old girl is back. And then pour in a well-greased baking dish. This one is about 20 by 20 centimeters, so nothing too big. You could use a round tin, so it doesn't really matter. Bake in a 170-degree preheated oven from anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes. I don't remember exactly how long mine took, but I would say start to check after 30 minutes. If it is browning too quickly, cover with aluminum foil or lower the rack or drop the temperature to 160, 165. You know your oven better. Just before the cake comes out, we will prepare the sauce the cake will be doused in. Water, cream, sugar, butter, and some vanilla extract. Cook gently on medium heat until the butter is melted and you have a hot liquid. This is kind of similar to tres leches cake. If you haven't seen that, I will have it linked somewhere here. Pull your cake out, poke a few holes, and immediately pour your hot liquid over it. The table also has to be paid its dues. The liquid looks like a lot, but the tres leches cake has taught me never to underestimate the soaking powers of cakes. Unlike the tres leches cake, Malva pudding is supposed to be served warm, so let the liquid sip in completely and you are good to go. Slice it up or just dig right in. Choice is yours. Optionally, you can have it with good old vanilla ice cream like I did. Guys, I already expected it to be good and I was not disappointed. It is super moist. I mean, it would be impossible for it not to be. It is actually warm and comforting. And although the ice cream was a cheap store-bought one, it was a great accompaniment. I actually preferred pudding with the ice cream. My friends absolutely loved it and I did too. I mean, who doesn't love ice cream and warm cake? Let me know what you think in the comments. I will see you next week and I definitely recommend you try this one. Yes, it's a keeper.